Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Today we're going to be learning about the sounds that the letters in the Arabic alphabet make. An alif makes an R sound.
A,
A ba makes a B sound.
B,
A ta makes a T sound.
T,
A tha makes a th sound, just like the beginning of the word thank you.
Th,
A jim makes a j sound.
J,
A ha makes a h sound.
H,
A kha makes a ch sound, just like when you're clearing your throat out.
H,
A dal makes a d sound.
D,
A dhal makes a th sound, just like the word this, that.
V,
A ra makes a r sound.
R,
A za makes a z sound.
Z,
A sin makes a s sound.
S,
A sheen makes a sh sound.
Sh,
A sad makes a s sound.
S,
A dhad makes a th sound.
L,
No, just a th sound, please.
V,
A ta makes a th sound.
T,
A dha makes a th sound.
V,
A ain makes a r sound.
R,
A ghain makes a r sound.
R,
A fa makes a th sound.
F,
A qaf makes a q sound.
Q,
A kaf makes a k sound.
K,
A lam makes a l sound.
L,
A mim makes a m sound.
M,
A noon makes a n sound.
N,
A wow makes a w sound.
W,
A ha makes a h sound.
H,
A hamza makes an a sound.
A,
And a ya makes a y sound.
Y,